Hey you guys, hope everyone's doing very well in YouTube world. We're going to take the little Honda for a rip here. See how it does in some single track. I'm still getting used to the old motocross style of a bike. It's pretty fun, I'll tell ya. Stick around, should be interesting. Can't remember where the trail goes here. Whoops. It's hard to really get any speed going when you can't really see the rocks. But at one time, these trails were pretty epic. Oh boy. That's good times, you guys. I miss ripping through those single tracks like that. I've been so focused on dual sports and the adventure bike now. I really haven't been focusing on the mountains that much, but I'm definitely going to be doing more of it. I think that little bike needs a clutch too, which is my bad, because when I took it apart, I kind of had a pile of parts everywhere, and I got the clutch plates and everything kind of fell on my bench. And then I mismatched some of the, the discs and the plates should always go back together the way they came apart, because they, if there's any grooves or anything, then they'll be matching. But that's my bad. But I did, I mic'd them and they were all in spec. There's actually lots of meat left on the clutch and the plates and everything. The springs were still good too, like lots of life left in them. So I didn't bother replacing them, but I'll probably get a clutch pack for it just to be, give me a little more zip. I can feel when I really get on it, it does slip a little bit, so not a big deal. Right on. It's beautiful up here though. I think we're gonna get some rainstorms or something. This was always my favorite section. love it in here. Oh yeah, here comes the rain anyways, which is a good thing because it's super dry up here. That's gonna be awesome. One of my favorite rocks. One of my favorite rocks to play on there. Oh, that's fun, that kind of stuff, you guys, but it's definitely starting to rain pretty good now, and it's getting a little sketchy out here. One of the things about Canada is we have pretty big trees and lots of them, so I don't know if you can see if the wind comes through on here, but well, I got the windsock on, so you probably won't hear actually how windy it really is. But when these trees get moving like they are, they can get quite sketchy out here. You know, big limbs and trees can blow down, so. Anyways, hope you guys like that. Lots more to come on all my bikes. Definitely squash this button, drop some comments, thumbs up, never hurt a guy, and I will see you on the next one. Right on. Bye.